What is targeted marketing, as well as how to locate yours in 2022, is what I should be discussing in this video. The much better you understand your target market, the extra you'll be able to focus your ads and also reach the target market most likely to convert into customers. Tabulations. What is a targeted market? What is a targeted audience division? Exactly how to specify your target audience. Target audience examples. Your target audience sets the tone for your whole advertising technique, from exactly how you establish, as well as name, your product and services throughout to the marketing network you make use of to promote them. A tip before we dig in: your job in specifying your target market is to recognize and understand a smaller sized relevant particular needs so you can control it. It's all about narrowing your focus while expanding your reach. In this overview, we'll aid you to learn who's already connected with your organization and also your rivals. After that, make use of the details to create a clear target market as you develop your brand name. The rewards. Get the complimentary layout to easily craft and detail account of your ideal customer and or target audience. What is a target market? A target market is the particular team of individuals you want to reach with your advertising message. They are individuals that are most likely to purchase your service or products, as well as they are unified by some common attribute like demographics and habits. The even more plainly you specify your target market, the far better you can comprehend how as well as where to reach your excellent prospective consumers. You can start with broad categories like years or solitary dads, but you need to get far more in depth than that to accomplish the most effective possible conversion rates. Do not be afraid to obtain extremely details. This is all about targeting your advertising efforts properly, not stopping people from getting your products. People that are not consisted of your target marketing can still buy from you. They're just not your leading emphasis when crafting your advertising strategy. You can't target everybody. However, you can offer to everyone. Your target audience needs to be based on research, not a gut feeling. You require to go after the people who truly wish to buy from you, even if they are not the customers you originally set out to get. What is target marketing division? Target audience division is the process of separating your target market right into smaller size, a lot more specific groups. It allows you to develop a much more appropriate marketing message for each and every team. Keep in mind, you can't be all things to all individuals, but you can be different points to different groups of people. For instance, as a vegetarian, I've actually consumed a lot of Impossible burgers. Naughty. I'm most definitely a targeted consumer. Yet vegetarians are a remarkably tiny target audience segment for difficult foods. Only 10% of their consumer base. That's why Difficult Foods' first nationwide ad campaign was absolutely not targeted at me. The target audience segment for this market campaign was meat eaters. They haven't yet attempted difficult items. Vegetarians and meat eaters have various reasons for eating plant-based burgers and also desired various points from the experience. Target audience division guarantees a company gets to the right target market with the appropriate message. Thank you for watching. I hope you've picked something out that will help you. If you like my videos, please click the like button below. And if you want to know when more are put up online, just press the bell and put all, and you'll get notifications when I put another one up. Thank you one more time for watching me. Hope you come back again soon. This is Ian Jackson saying thank you and goodbye.